You know you're successful, but without you running the show every day, things would fall apart.
Did you know that 50% of businesses fail within their first 5 years of opening?
Does being overwhelmed with managing the financial side sound familiar? Maybe you've even struggled with poor cash flow, bidding accurately, profit instability, retaining employees, and making payroll.
If any of these sound familiar, we know how you feel. It feels like being trapped in a corner. You can't take any time off because your business needs you to function.
That's why we created a training called 4 Steps to Financial Success in Your Powder Coating Biz. We'll take you from being stuck where you are now to running it like the CEO you were meant to be. You'll learn how to get in control of your cash, confident about bidding, tracking your business with success.
If you want to finally stop working in your business and start working on it, get out of the trap you're in and register for this event right now.
Click the link below to sign up for this exclusive event to improve your business. Aren't you worth it? Join me along with Shelby Ashley and save $10 off this exclusive event. Seats are limited. Use the link below.